Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about how to message groups of students based on their work submission. So you're going to start by going to your course and going into your gradebook. So this is just my test course that I practice with. Um, but let's use this assignment because I do have my test student submitted it. So what you'll do is you'll hover over the assignment, you'll click on these three dots, and then you'll select Message Students Who. And once you click Message Students Who, you're going to get some different choices. So first of all, I can hand pick if maybe I excused Jessica from this assignment so I could X her name out. So I can send a message to everyone who has not submitted the assignment, or I can send a message to everyone who hasn't been graded. So maybe I'm notifying them why, maybe they need to resubmit. I can message students who scored less than a certain score or who scored more than a certain score. So if you wanted to give some sort of kind of group feedback that way. But I'm going to go with haven't submitted yet. So again, I can change the subject if I want to, but it does default to just say that you didn't submit this assignment because my assignment's called Google Doc. And then you can compose your message. And what it's going to do is it will send a message individually to all of these students. So they won't be able to see who else you have attached on there. So it's a great way to anonymously message a group of people who you need to finish their assignment. So I'm hoping that will be helpful for you as we come up to the end of the semester. So you know where to find me if you have any questions. Have a great week.